how the YouTube homepage algorithm really works and how to get on it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tendai. Today I'm going to explain how the YouTube homepage algorithm, mind you, there's many algorithms, okay, 5 or 6, but this one is for the homepage for your videos to be discovered, okay? So YouTube homepage algorithm actually works like this. It works, and it is more importantly how to get videos featured on it. That's what we're going to learn today. A lot of creators focus on search traffic and suggested videos, but the homepage is where most big growth happens. Don't underestimate this part. That's where YouTube recommends your video to people who didn't even ask for it and they didn't know that you exist there. That's how channels blow up as well. But by getting placed right in front of the new audiences before they even search for it. This one is not searching. This one is not shorts. This one is just homepage. Okay. So how do you get on the homepage? How do you get there? First, let's be clear. You can't force your way onto the homepage. You cannot, but you can structure your content in a way that makes the algorithm want to put you there. Is that clear? I know it's a bit confusing, right? You can structure your content in a way that makes the algorithm want to put you on the homepage. YouTube homepage is personalized. What you see is not what I see. The system looks at what each viewer has recently watched from your history. What have you been clicking on? So content going to be suggested to me is different from that person and the other person. How they interact with content and what they are likely to enjoy next. That's what makes the content that you get different from mine. So your goal is to be the next best thing for someone who likes what you create. To do that, you need to signal quality, consistency, and relevance. Okay? Let's start with consistency. Let's break this down a little bit in little information that is much easier to understand. I hope. YouTube favors channels that upload regularly. Yeah, not daily, just regularly. Underline that. If you're putting out content once a week or even every 10 days and viewers keep clicking and watching, YouTube sees that as a good signal. It knows what to expect from you and it knows who to recommend you to. Next, it comes down to click-through rate. There's many videos I've done on the social media as a whole, but on this channel, click right here. You will be able to watch this when you finish this video to learn more about click-through rate. So the click-through rate and watch time, the homepage algorithm runs a small test. It will show your video a few people who watched similar content. If enough of them click and they stay watching, YouTube keeps showing it to more people. If not, it stops pushing the video. Simple as that. So you have a short window to prove your content works. Yeah. So that's the reason why every video you put out there, people should learn something from it. Or yourself, you should watch it and you're the viewer. Would you learn anything from your video? Okay. That's why packaging matters so much. I keep talking about packaging. And by this, I mean thumbnails. Okay, it's included there. So if your thumbnail is bland or title is generic, you're not going to get the clicks, especially on the home page where competition is quite high. Yeah, it is high. You need your video to stand out visually with a bold, simple, not cluttered thumbnail, while still matching what the viewer is interested in. Give them what you wrote on the outside of the tin. Ensure it's what's inside. Next, you need clean layouts. Use bold text, clean layouts, emotional faces, and high contrast. Your title should create curiosity without being confusing. Topic also matters. Even if you have like a great thumbnail in the whole world and title, If the topic isn't something people care about or what they're searching for, it won't make the video go viral. Okay, it won't perform. The video will not perform as expected. You need to make videos about things people are already watching and enjoying. So do your research before you do your next video. Okay, search what people are looking for. Look at what's trending in your niche. Study what's doing well or on similar channels. Nowadays it's even better because you can check this in analytics in YouTube Studio, then create your version with your voice, your experience, and your perspective. The homepage algorithm also reward binge worth channels. Okay, if someone watches one of your videos from the homepage and then watches another right after, YouTube sees your content as high quality. Yeah, that's why you should always think in terms of video series or connected ideas, not just one-off upload. Your audience behavior matters too. If your regular viewers are clicking your new videos, watching to the end and commenting, liking, and coming back for more, the algorithm picks on that. It notices what your channel brings people back to YouTube. That's a key goal of the homepage system, to keep viewers engaged with content that keeps them coming back. So returning viewers are very important. If you get returning a spike of returning viewers a lot, I mean people coming to view your video, a spike, and they're not returning, then YouTube stops promoting your videos. Okay, that's how it works. So make people keep coming back. If you brought them once and they liked it, bring some more of that. Another factor is freshness. The homepage favors new uploads, especially within the first 48 hours. That's when YouTube runs its biggest test. If you get a good click-through rate and solid watch time during that window, the reach expands. So don't just publish and walk away. Promote it. Post it on your community tab, link it in a short, or share it with your audience, not your friends or relatives, because they'll come and watch few seconds and they're out, or they'll not even click it. And YouTube sees that you are sharing. People are not interested. So the more early engagement, the better. Okay. Let's talk about titles for a second. On the homepage, titles needs to be powerful but simple. Not too exaggerated. It needs to be simple, powerful and simple. You are not just ranking for keywords. You're trying to trigger curiosity. Ask yourself, would someone who has never heard of me stop scrolling to click this? Be frank to yourself. That's the test right there. Use emotion, use contrast, use phrases like, you need to see this, or the truth about dash dash dash, or why this failed. Just don't mislead people. Clickbait only works once, then your retention drops, so does your reach. That's it. Right? Now, here's something most creators ignore. Your overall channel quality impacts homepage reach. If YouTube notices that people tend to click your videos and stick around, trust your channel more, then that means future videos are more likely to be tested. So every good upload makes your next upload easier to promote for YouTube algorithm. If you're constantly uploading like content that underperforms, right? You post, nobody sees. You post, nobody sees. Even just one weak video can hurt your momentum. That's why it's better to upload one strong video. Don't push too many low quality videos that don't mean anything out there. You'd rather take your time, edit, shoot and edit and post, right? Sensible video. So a strong video a week than the rushed ones. Okay, quality over quantity wins, especially on the homepage. So how do you improve your chances? That's the big question of this video. Start by planning your videos around what your audience is already watching. Then package them with a strong thumbnail and title that makes people curious. Publish on a consistent schedule. If you're posting a week, stay on weekly. If it's 10 days, stay on 10 days. Okay? Publish consistently on schedule. Hook fast, 15 seconds of the video. Deliver your information, your message. Hold attention and encourage people to watch more. Watch your analytics in YouTube Studio. If you don't have it, download today, please. See what videos get high homepage impressions and double down on those formats. If you can't find these analytics for the homepage on your phone, try on a laptop, okay? Finally, remember this. The algorithm doesn't care about your subscriber count. It doesn't. It cares about viewer behavior. If you make content that viewers love, content that earns clicks and keeps people, not just clicks, keeps people watching, YouTube will recommend it to more people. Even if you're just starting out, this works, okay? It applies to everyone. So don't wait for the algorithm to find you. Create content the algorithm wants to recommend. Thanks for watching. If you want to make sure those homepage views turn into real growth, go watch my last video right here. Now, I explained why most YouTubers don't grow and how to fix it. It's all in that video. You might want to watch that, most definitely. That video connects perfectly with this one, and it will give you a full strategy